Hello, good morning, everyone. You are welcome to this drop-in session, and I've got a lot of people reaching out to me to say, how can we possibly use this tool, the ref8.com, um, to find, you know, healthcare role within England and beyond, and this is the question that keeps coming back and forth, and it's quite easy to use. It's quite user friendly, and I'm just going to show you in simple steps on how to use it to your advantage. It's quite free, um, and free to use for everyone anywhere. So you can share it to as many people as possible if you want. But it's quite uh, reliable and useful if you work in health or social care and you are actually passionate about career progressions and you really want to um, upskill yourself and upgrade yourself in terms of working within the health and social care sector. So just follow me as I show you simple steps on how to utilize this tool. So the first thing you want to do is just go straight to rev8.com and you click upload file, or your once you click it's going to take you to your, if you're on the mobile phone, it's going to go to your file, it's going to upload your CV, and if you're on laptop, you just go into your folder where you save your CV and you just click and upload, and automatically it's going to extract the text. So what you want to do is I normally try to clear personal information off so that it just goes straight to looking for a job for me, and then and you just click find my job, and it's just gonna, the engine is just gonna work in the background and map your CV to the jobs out there that map you that correlates with your experience and your qualification and stuff. Yes, you can see after that search it only took about 5 seconds and you have 31 jobs found. So this, and then you scroll down to the job alerts, and so you have this H button here. That means if you need to save the job, let's say you want to come back to it instead of creating accounts like on other job um, platform like Indeed and LinkedIn. You have to create an account, you have to log in before you can search for jobs or stuff like that. All you need to do is just press this save button, and automatically it's all saved to your browser, and you can always come back as many times as possible until when you remove them. So and you scroll down, you look at the jobs, you look at the recent dates. I actually advise when you're applying for jobs, you have to look at the recent dates so that you're not just misfiring, because if a job has been posted more than 1 month, there's possibility there are thousands of people, hundreds of people that have applied for that job. So you just go to look at the dates, look at the recent dates, um, and you just click on the recent dates. Let's say this is 22nd of, and then you can always go back to your saved job and you know press the V button to reveal the details, and you can apply using the apply button, or go to the job listing website. And before, if you don't find out very, if you are easy, if you really want to apply right there and there, so you go back to the job and you click that V button, and it gives you more details, and you can either click apply button, go to read.co.uk or total jobs where the job is originally posted, and without creating accounts, you just go there and it apply for you. So let's say you want to tailor your applications, your cover letter, you want to tailor it to the job application. So that is where the uh, upgrade version comes in. If you really want to upgrade, maybe to draft um, um, cover letter for each of the jobs that you want to apply for, that's why this is where the upgrades of the premium section comes in. So every job you apply to, there is every job role that you apply to, there is a cover letter ready for you to apply for that job without having to, edit and copy and paste every time. Just automatically, it just you click the upgrade. You want to click the premium button, so that can help you to apply for each job with tailored um, cover letter with your experience, with your qualifications, and all sort of things like that. And then it's going to use that to apply and tailor it to that job specifically for you. And that's what makes it quite easy for you to use. And that's how this works. As it's just as simple as that. So if you want to benefit from other things that comes with this engine, so for instance, let's say I've got a level 6 net and social care management, and for instance, if I need study parts, what do I need to do next to be able to advance my career in social sector? You can always go to study part, and it's going to show you roadmap in what you need to do to get more qualifications, and the next step for you in getting more qualified and to be able to land more reasonable and high paying roles within health and social care. So there are some partners here where you can go to their websites, click this, and you visit them strictly free, and you register if you want to upskill yourself in terms of getting more qualifications. You can always go through their website and make your applications if you want. And then visa, in terms of people that are outside, that are in the diaspora that wanted to go to particular countries, and maybe UK, they give you more information about how to apply for visa in the UK, for job visa in the UK, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, USA, and Germany. And you can see when it's in green, it shows that there is possibly there is high, which level of qualification and experience you have. It's actually auto match you and auto fine tune your qualifications to give you that you are likely eligible because of the level of experience you have and the level of qualification that you have at your disposal. And then you can click and get more information on those websites. And then if you require English tests to get a job or work visa in any of these countries, you can always click it, and they tell you the type of English SLT testing that you need to do, that is applicable to that country. And then you can go through it, and so you don't just misfire, you know exactly what you're doing, without consulting anyone really. And then country guide, in terms of salary, the kind of visa you need for each of the countries, they are there, and salary range of each of this country, and you can always find all this information here. So it's quite easy to navigate. You just need to make yourself familiar with the interface. It's quite easy, and I can guarantee you, when I was looking for jobs in different capacity, I have used so many search engines, and I realized how frustrating that can be. So, and that's what prompted this idea of actually creating something that can make it easier for brothers and sisters out there to actually find it very easy to find job. You understand, without having to create email, uh, or create an account where you get spam emails every time. The only thing you need to do is just go in there, save the jobs to your browser, and you can come back as many times to revisit it. Once you apply, if you don't need it anymore, you remove it there and it's gone, and your job application is sent. And it's quite easy as that. So we have this instant job alert on WhatsApp. So we have your WhatsApp group, I have a Telegram group, and we're trying as much as possible to make sure that people don't get people have opportunity to have access to all this information. So if you want to receive updates on jobs that are posted daily, you can join our Telegram group by putting your number here to receive alerts, or you can actually go down to the bottom of the website and click join WhatsApp group or join the Telegram group, and you can get alerts every time there are any job posted on this additional jobs or other job listing websites that are out there. And that's how the system works. So if you now need additional support, we have some people who find it very difficult to navigate tech. Not every one of us are quite good with using internet to do a lot of stuff. But if you need additional help, or you are lost somewhere, you feel like you need more clarity about how to actually navigate and get something and learn something that can really be beneficial for yourself, then you can, it's optional. You can decide to upgrade